Welcome to the Solarglide Centerpool with level pegs installation guide, including top fixed brackets and side fixed level pegs in window box. When installing the ceiling or into the roof of a window box, top fixed brackets are required. The following installation outlines a top fixed bracket installation. The tools you will need to complete this installation project: a pair of scissors, an electric drill, a tape measure, a crosshead screwdriver, a pencil and a spirit level. Using a bracket as a template, place in the desired positions and mark the holes, as shown. If mounting into wood, secure the brackets into position with a screw and screwdriver. If mounting into metal or cladding, an electric drill and roll plugs may be required. Once all brackets are fully secured, ensure the fabric is retracted inside the cassette before centering and lining up the blind. Carefully clip the cassette firmly into the brackets, ensuring that the cassette is evenly spaced on the window. Secure the front of the cassette into the front lip of the brackets first, followed by the rear, until a click is heard. With the blind secured into the window brackets, the metal side fixed level pegs can now be installed into the window box side walls. The level pegs come in pairs, allowing the film or fabric to be set at fixed points down the window. Depending on the size of the window, Solarglide recommend installing not 2 but 4 level pegs, 2 in the center, and 2 at the bottom. This will allow the blind to be set midway down the window and in the fully closed position. Carefully mark the midway and fully closed positions for the level pegs, ensuring the pegs are level on both sides. A tape measure is recommended at this stage. Secure each level peg with 3 fixing screws. The closed section of the level peg must be at the top when installing, as shown. A drill may be needed when mounting into metal or cladding. Test the blind and level pegs by holding the handle and setting it at each level, as shown. The bottom rail profile hooks under each pair of level pegs, keeping it firmly in position. The installation is now complete.